Hello. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the Immersive Engineering Excavator, which you probably already knew by the title, but whatever. And this is for if you haven't gotten it moving and digging and getting your ore. If you haven't gotten it doing that, then this is the video. Then you want to watch the video. But if you have gotten it doing that, then this video is pointless to you. And you can still watch it if you want, I guess. But oh, sorry, I have a Ligonite's non-installed. I forgot about that. So you might notice that my mic quality is pretty bad because I don't know why, but I guess just the mic that I'm using isn't that great. But anyway, and the reason why you can see my taskbar and stuff, or I think you can see it, is because with the screen recording thing that I'm using, I'm just using the simple Xbox game bar. It's on the PC. It comes with Windows 10, so like I tried to get Bandicam set up, except I couldn't get my mic working on that, and so I just kind of kept it simple with this. But anyway, instead of what I would do, which I would build the excavator and put like an actual ore cluster block into it. Apparently that's actually from the mod Tech Guns, because that's if you're like playing with Tech Guns and Immersive Engineering, which I was. And I thought it would work because most things from Tech Guns require Immersive Engineering to use, so this build graph didn't work or anything. So yeah, and what you actually use for the ore clusters is these, which are core sample. Oh no. Huh. And so these things, you would put it down and some sort of power source. It has to be from Immersive Engineering for some reason. And it's gone tonight for a second. Then you wait a tiny bit and it'll say, so for each chunk, put one in each chunk. And there's no mineral in this core sample, but in the one that I literally started off the video with, this trying, had a lead vein. And if you go into this engineer's manual, then you can see that the lead vein is, I have to find it. There's a lot of lead, here we go. It's 57% lead and 42% silver. So it's not the best one. And I think especially if you're playing with Tech Guns, then the best one that you can possibly get is uranium and lead. And if you have, I forget what mod it's called, but I think it's like an add-on that adds in different other ores. And they're like ores that you can only get in the nether. So in some people's opinion, quartzite is their favorite, since you can only obtain it in the nether, but yeah, anyway. So pretty sure it was right here that I found that vein, and so now I'll build the excavator. And the way I would know how to build it, and I pretty much memorized it, but in this engineer's manual, which is crafted with a book and a lever, can tell you pretty much everything about immersive engineering. And the excavators and heavy machinery, and it kind of shows you step by step how to build it. And it shows you what blocks you need. So I guess I'm gonna think this through actually. I guess I'll build it. So I pretty much memorized it. I just put that there, that is there, I think, and then is that how I build it? Yeah, it is. Okay. Normally I would build this step by step as well, except I've kind of memorized it, so. I actually made my first attempt to make this my second attempt at this video, and on my first attempt I like messed up somewhere, and then yeah, it wasn't very good, wasn't that good anyway. So if you want to see the second part of where I messed up and stuff, then I guess tell me in the comments, and then that should be the excavator, and then I need to build the bucket wheel. There we go. Sorry if you can hear like button mashing and stuff, but again, I don't have a very good mic, so I'm pretty sure it's that. And that, and then I'll grab the engineer's hammer. And this looks super cool. If you haven't seen it before, it looks amazing. Like, just look at that. Not look awesome, and it looks even cooler when it's running. So the stuff comes out here. So I guess I'll get a little conveyor belt system going. Chest, sword in. And so I put the conveyor belts here, and right now they're going the wrong way. And put these things called dropping conveyor belts. And so let's say I drop items there, then the dropping conveyor belts come into the chest. I hate how you can't open the chest conveyor belts on top of it. I'll have to get some pockets to show you. It makes its way down there, but if they're normal conveyor belts, then it just doesn't even even care about the chest and it just goes along to the end. Well, anyway, that was my little lesson on conveyor belts there. And oh, perfect. And that's what's in control. Then you can get a lever or something, some sort of redstone source. When you activate it, it turns it off, which is kind of weird. I'm pretty sure you can change it so like, oops, so it turns on when you activate it instead, but whatever. Where did those go? So I'll have to get new radiator blocks. Then what you have to do is you would give it power and let it do its thing. It doesn't require coal or anything. All it needs is power, and it needs 4,000 ticks. I'm pretty sure it needs like 4,096 RF per tick, and once it's finished with this sand, you can actually see the stuff in it, and once it's finished, that's sand, it'll start mining the actual ore cluster. It's just getting sand right now, and if you were in a normal biome, then it would get dirt. That should be it. Yeah. Now there's some ore going through. Oops. There's the ore. It'll make its way down into your chest or whatever. And oh look, it's night. Huh. Time to end the video. So, yeah, I guess it was... Shut up, you stupid nymph. This is the end of the video. Where is it?